Hi beautiful people, welcome to my Passion with Ebydee. In today's segment, I'll be introducing to you how I cook my couscous. So if you are new on my channel, I want to welcome you to the family, and to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support my channel. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly do that. Turn the post notification bell on so that each time I drop a new video you get notified, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. This is our main ingredient. That's it. Couscous. And I'll be using some soy sauce here, which is in here. And I have some shrimps. I have some seafood sticks here as well. I have some carrot here and a little bit of swede in there. That's optional, you can just use your carrot. I have my sesame oil here. Some sweet corn. Some garden pea. Scotch bonnet, I just want a little bit of that, and some all-purpose aroma seasoning. I'll be using just a little bit of this because of the soy sauce. I'll be adding some salt to my recipe. We'll be using some egg as well in this recipe, so let's get straight to it. The first thing I'll be doing is to pop my couscous in a bowl. I'll add some pinch of salt, and then I'm going to add some water to that. So now I've added some water in this, and the next thing I'm going to do is to pop that in the microwave. If you don't want to pop it in the microwave, because some people don't like the idea of microwave, you can just put this and add some hot water instead and just leave it. And the whole purpose of this is to soften the grains. Show this to you. Yeah, that's it. So I'll pop this in the microwave. I popped this into the microwave for 1 minute, and that is the outcome. That's it. I'm going to go ahead to add some salt to taste on the shrimps. I'll leave this on the side. And I'm going to add some oil. And then I'll go ahead to place in the shrimps.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
So in the meantime, I'll go ahead to whisk some eggs. I'll add some seasoning to that, some all-purpose seasoning, that's what I'll be adding, and then whisk that as well. So it's time to give this a stir. So I'll take them out.
I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look.
In this same oil, I'm going to add my egg mix. Going to add my Scotch bonnet.
The pain, if you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
So I have to keep stirring so that it doesn't get burnt. So now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of sesame oil again. What I'm about to do now is just to stir fry the vegetable. I'm going to add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning and give that a stir. So while I do this, I'll just go ahead and add the soy sauce. Then I'll give it a mix. Allow this to cook for a few minutes. So at this point, I'll go ahead to add the shrimps. This recipe doesn't take long to cook at all. We'll go ahead to add the eggs. I am doing this on a low heat. Remember, we've already softened this in hot water, so we don't need it to take too long to cook. Let's have a taste of that. Wow. 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 I love this. This is done. This is just perfect. So bring your plate, guys, and let me serve you. And we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys love this. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box below, and I'll be waiting to read from you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do that and like this video. Share this video as well, and I'll see you all in my next one. Stay cool and be happy. Bye bye.